1,000 camels. In the times of Umar there was a severe famine. All the people of Medina were suffering due to the shortage of food. A caravan made up of 1,000 camels loaded with a large stock of food grains belonging to Uthman Sham Syria. Several merchants offered to buy all of it. He asked them what profit they would pay. 5%, they said. He answered that he could get higher profit than that. They began to argue with him, saying that they did not know of any merchant who would offer him more than their quote. He said to them, I know of one who repays a profit of more than 700 to a dirham Arabian currency. He then recited the verse of the noble Quran in which Allah the Almighty mentioned this profit. The likeness of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah the Almighty is as the likeness of a grain of corn. It grows 7 years, and each year has 100 grains. Allah the Almighty gives manifold increase to whom He pleases. And Allah is all sufficient for His creatures' needs, all-knower. O traders, bear witness with me that I donate all this to the poor people of Medina. Said Uthman, Dear readers, whatever we give for the sake of Allah the Almighty is really ours, and whatever we keep with us will one day be someone else's. Let us follow the footsteps of our Prophet and his pious companions, with whom Allah the Almighty was pleased with, by helping the needy ones in this blessed month of Ramadan.